it's Shelby. Welcome. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know I love you. I figured in today's video I would share a quick studio vlog of me packing orders. I feel like that's literally all I've been sharing lately for the studio vlogs. There's been a lot of order packing. I am trying to get better with posting regularly, so I definitely wanted to share this order packing. I have been pretty decently busy, not complaining here, very blessed for all the orders coming in. So if you have placed an order, thank you so much for your support, and if you haven't placed an order but you're watching this video, thank you for watching. If you can just hit the like button, subscribe, come back, see us again, I would greatly appreciate it. But nonetheless, so you see me here packing orders. There have been a lot of sticker orders, so that's mainly what I'm packing here. We do have a few new stickers in the shop, so I think we have like 5 or 6, probably more than that, different stickers. I might be like bordering like 7. I don't know. Can't really keep up, honestly. But there's a few different sticker sets in the shop. I am working on doing a little bit of like rebranding on the stickers, so I will be having like more single stickers available soon, so that's definitely in the works. It's a process. Just like getting the photos and everything taken care of is a process, so there will definitely be more coming to the shop, so definitely keep an eye out on that. If you like stickers, if you like putting them wherever you want to put them. I know I like to put mine on my Bible, on my laptop. I also like to go ahead and like decorate my planner with them, so they're just great little additions to any stationery that you use, just ways that accent your items that you use on a daily. A good little reminder. I even gave Rose like some of mine that got just a little bit messed up on the cutter that I didn't want to use, and she put them on her little toy laptop, which was pretty cute. But anyways, so yep, that's what I'm doing today, just packing some orders, a lot of sticker orders for the most part. Of course, we do have the Bible verse cards as well, bookmarks as well. Gotta have the bookmarks for all of the book lovers out there. And then there's the guided Bible journal in the shop as well. We have our devotionals, which I am doing a horrible job of talking about, but just very cute stationery available for whatever needs you have, especially if you want to just be encouraged and inspired by Bible verses. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am just trying to get better with posting more. Hopefully you'll notice weekly postings on Thursday, so just make sure you come back and see us next Thursday. If it's not a studio vlog, then it will be a Bible study with me vlog. I am thinking about going live and doing a live Bible study, but I am going to see what the Shelby email tribe thinks of that, and if they're down, then I'm probably going to go ahead and hit that up. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to let Rose take us out. Bye!
Subscribe to my mommy channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!